So we're going to put this skull together using mixed reality. There's about 23 bones we need to put into place, and fortunately I've got this handy diagram saying which bone goes where. And when I put the bones into place, they should click into place. So let's start at the bits that obviously go together. That went green, so it clicks there. That clicks there. That's the front. So what's this? This must be the parietal lobe. And this must be the... We've all got names. I should label them up, really. That's the bottom bit. What's that? The occipital lobe, by the looks of it. Let's come towards the front now. That's maxilla, the right maxilla. That should click into place there, yep. Left maxilla. That is one of the nasal bones. What's this? This looks like the zygomatic bone. Let's put that one there. I don't know what that is. That's going to be fun putting into place. That snaps there. Let's do... I think this bit went in the middle. Yep. How are we on? We're on 17 of 23 parts placed correctly, so we're doing all right. I can show which parts are currently incorrectly placed. What about this one? That doesn't look like it belongs there. Okay, that goes there, I think. Yep. That's the other zygomatic bone. And what over here? We've got the left either sphenoid bone or zygomatic arch. Let's just stick that in. Another one here. Okay, if we ever need to put a skull together, this app's going to come really useful. Missing the bottom mandible, and then we just need to put the teeth in. There we go, and that should tell us I've got 23 parts all put together in that right place. So there we go. We've put a skull together in mixed reality. Nothing in the wrong place. Amazing, terrific.